Hi, I'm Marna, and this is a Dolls Rescue channel, and today is July 16th, known on YouTube in the Dolly community as Dolls Gone Goth Day. In May, J Dolls UK and I teamed up to challenge you to showcase your dolls in goth or gothish, which is fine. Kind of a black Halloween dress up kind of thing with a head nod or completely towards goth, whatever you would like to do on your channel. We have asked you to upload videos with the hashtag Dolls Gone Goth so that they will all go into a file on YouTube and we can watch everybody's, because we want to see every single one. J Dolls UK and I have been showing some easy and not so easy DIYs of things you can do to dress your dolls goth or gothish. Here are some of my girls dressed up in the outfits that I've made. This is Strawberry. She's new. You can't really see her. She has pink hair, but she has on just a little skirt and top I made with a I love these lace capes. I'm really pleased with those. They came out really well, and I was so glad that it was easy to sew. This fabric, I think it was 2 yards for $2 or something like that. Darren actually found it at Goodwill for me, and the Goodwill sticker said $2, which was the exact price of the still packaged fabric. So he asked him up front. They gave it to us for 50 cents. And I like it. It's got some stretch to it. It's great. And then you've seen Gothia, and I decided what she could wear. You know what? I like her little reversible dress and her black rose and her hoop earrings. I got a kick out of it. I thought I'm leaving her alone. This is Pizzazz. I've had Pizzazz for quite some time, and she's dressed a little sexier. I like it. She has on her bedroom boots with the little hearts on them. This is my head nod to Elise Explosion. If you don't know her channel, check it out. She is fun, fun, fun. This is a new girl. I have named her Elizabeth, and I quickly made her something to wear. She actually has on Barbie boots. This is the less expensive. These dolls, these Blythe dolls, are under $10. Well, around $10. Some are as much as 20. But look around on AliExpress for these dolls. I really like her. I think she's very pretty. They wear Barbie shoes, and Darren discovered something. I'm not as brave as he is. He picked one up and clipped its knee. I didn't even know they did that. So I was it's not as easy as a Barbie, but it does click. And we can only get it to go once, but how cute is she? I have named her Elizabeth. I don't know, maybe after Montgomery? I don't know, very cute. And then this is another new doll I have, Claire. And she is wearing a little outfit I made in a DIY. Actually two, because she has on the little skirt and the boots. So this is my showcase for my goth dolls. And if you'd like to leave your link to your Dolls Gone Goth video in our comments, we'd really appreciate it. And don't forget, this is not the end of the collab challenge that J Dolls and I are doing. We have several months to come. The next one is black wedding dress. I want to thank Jay at J Dolls UK. I'm sure all of you are subscribed to her channel. It's fantastic. She has, oh gosh, she has, well, I would venture to say every kind of doll. She does DIYs, she does tutorials, she does box openings. She gets a lot of happy mail, bless her heart, she should. Very, very fun channel. Thank you, Jay, for teaming up with me on this one. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.